Hey y'all, just wanted to share a purchase I made over the weekend, and these are the Rode Wireless Go. And I got the black ones, and these are actually available in white as well. But this is my hack, okay? I bought the black one, and I bought the white color Lavalier mic. Black if you have a black shirt, white if you have a white shirt. Consider this combination. I think it works out. And also today, I am using a manual focus lens for my GH5. One thing that I find quite distracting whenever I film these kind of videos where I just talk directly into the into the camera is that it keeps focus hunting behind in the background, versus now, since it's manual focus, it's at 0.95 manual focus, so very shallow depth of field. It's sort of a blurry background. So I think this style of video, of vlogging going forward, I would probably use the manual focus lens. I think it's less distracting for my viewers. Like I said, trying to up my game. Okay, so let's just do a really quick test. Let's try using the Rode Wireless Go without the Lav. Alright, without the lavalier. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let me just power this on. I know I'm a little bit late to the game, but this is... I was using this before, and now this is my go-to. This has been my go-to for like forever. Alright, now I am using this, and I'm just talking into... I see my audio levels peaking, and I think I'm at the lowest setting, so I believe this onboard mic is actually quite sensitive, so never mind. Let me plug this in right now. Alright, let's see how this goes. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So this is recorded with the left mic. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I've just clipped it onto my t-shirt. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. The audio levels seem to be doing quite well too. So I'm not exactly sure how this is gonna sound when I play back, but I think this is a really good addition. Yes, the Rode Wireless Go is nothing new. Lots of YouTubers are currently using it as a standard setup. Firstly, for such a small setup, they are actually using USB-C charging, okay, which is great. You know, a lot of manufacturers now, if they're not using the USB-C standard, right, it's so lackluster, it's so annoying. And then it comes with all these fancy packets, you know. The Lavalier has one. The Rode Wireless Go has one. It's all fancy, tiny, fancy pouches. Yeah. So that is the review for today. And then now let me just remove the Lavalier mic. Back to the onboard mic. Onboard mic. Onboard mic. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Okay. And now I am gonna go back to my standard Rode mic that is perpetually on my GH5. Alright, and I am back to my old setup. What do you think about the audio? I'm looking at the audio levels. Looks about the same. Not sure if it's gonna sound the same, but I can only find out later. That's all for today. Hope you like my short little video, short little update. If there's anything that you want me to cover, talk about, questions about the foldables. Oh, and recently I just picked up my my Fidu, because it was the battery pack. There was some issues with the battery pack. I'm gonna probably ship it off to Malaysia. Yeah, when this whole CB and this whole phase 1, phase 2, and we're able to go to Malaysia, I'm probably gonna shift it to my house in Malaysia, and we'll see what happens. Until then, you guys take care. Bye bye.
Yeah, that basically concludes the